Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. It's my pleasure to meet you again students. I hope everyone has done their summer vacation homework. Now a big welcome to all of you for the second term. So students, let's start our maths working of second term. Open your math books. Page number is 40. So students, as you know, you write date and day on the top of the page. The date should be on the left side and the day should be on the right side of your page. Look at the number blocks. These numbers starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and goes up to number 100. So moving towards our classwork. Question number 3. Write the missing numbers and the number names. So students, first question is 20 plus 4 is equal to 24. If we do this number in parts, so we write 24 as 20 plus 4 and we also write its number name as 24. Ta va e na ta ya 20 fa o r ra 4 24. So B part 70 plus 6 is equal to 76. Very good. You also write its number name as 70 dash 6. 76. C part 80 plus 9. It means 89. 8, 9, 89. So you also write its number name as 80 dash 9. Next, 100 plus 0. If you add 0 in some number, the number remains the same. The number stays the same. So you write it as 100. And you also write its number name as 100. Next, 30 plus 7 is equal to 37. You also write its number name as 37. 30-7. Clear? I think you will understand your classwork very well. So moving towards our homework, page number 41 is your homework. It's very easy students. It's comparing numbers up to 100. You have to compare the numbers. So here you write the number which is before this number. It means 69. 69 से before means उससे पहले. Before का मतलब होता है पहले. तो 69 से पहले क्या नंबर आता है? 68. So you write 68 over here. B part is after. After means बाद में means later. तो 14 के बाद में क्या नंबर आता है? 14 के बाद क्या आता है? 15. So you write 15 over here. Next is between. Between means in the mid. मीन्स दरमियान में. सो 19 और 21 के दरमियान में बिटवीन क्या नंबर आता है? 20. सो यू राइट 20 ओवर हेयर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज टिक द बिगेस्ट नंबर एंड द सर्कल द स्मॉलेस्ट वन. सो दिस इज टिक द बिगेस्ट. बिगेस्ट मतलब बड़े नंबर को हमने टिक करना है. सो लुक 47, 49, 32, 16. स्टूडेंट्स इन सब में आपने देखना है कि कौन सा नंबर सबसे बड़ा है. जो बड़ा नंबर है उसको आपने टिक कर देना है लाइक दिस. एंड जो सबसे छोटा है उसको आपने सर्कल कर देना है. तो इस पर सबसे छोटा कौन सा नंबर है? 16. गुड. सो यू राइट draw a circle over here. Clear students? So do your homework very neatly. Take care. Allah Hafiz.